With the latest addition to the My Westman portal, you can manage your services online. Make additions to your TV package, including upgrading to the next plan or adding specific theme packs and individual channels to your existing Westman TV package. Here you can also upgrade your internet speed to a higher plan. To make things even better, all changes take place in real time. To begin, select the Manage Services button on the lower right-hand side. The next screen will show all accounts under your name. Click on the account title you wish to manage. The following screen will show you your account details, including the services you're currently subscribed to, in an organized top window. To see the full list of details for your account, click the blue More Details button underneath your monthly total. This will open a window with all services and equipment on your account, along with the pricing. If you're currently receiving a promotion price, you will see the slash over the regular price and the promotion price underneath in a different color. Scroll down and press the blue button to close the window. After reviewing your current Westman services, scroll down to make any adjustments. The first tab you will see is Television. The package you are currently subscribed to will be faded out and will be clearly marked as currently subscribed with a check mark. Any package that is higher up will be darker and have the Add to Cart option on the right-hand side. To view what channels are in your current package or are in another package, select the View Details option under the TV package description. All logos of channels within that package will show. If you want to learn more information about a specific channel, hover over the channel logo and details will appear. To add additional packs or channels to your current subscription, scroll further down. Here you can add specialty packs, theme packs, and variety packs, as well as a variety of individual channels. Just as the television packages, the packs that you're already subscribed to will be faded out and clearly marked as currently subscribed. To see full pack details, including what channels are included in each package, select the arrow beside the theme name. This will open the package and show channel details. Again, hover over the channel logo to view a full channel description and access their website. If you wish to add a pack to your current subscription, click the blue button on the right-hand side. You can do this with as many additional packages as you wish. A convenient window will show in the bottom right corner with your account changes and revised total. You can continue to add as many packs to your subscription by clicking Add to Cart for every desired theme pack. If a pack is selected and you've changed your mind, simply click the button on the right, which will now show Remove from Cart. This will remove the pack and the pricing from the window. If there are no new additions to your services, the pop-up window will disappear. Individual channels can also be added to your current subscription. To do so, select the Individual Channels tab. All available channels will show in alphabetical order. And again, on the right-hand side, it will either say Currently Subscribed in gray or Add to Cart in a blue button. Select the blue button for all channels you want to add to your subscription. You can also continue to add additional packages to your account if you wish. Once you're happy with all changes to be made and it looks correct in the window, click the button Review Total and Order. Let's take a look at the Internet section. The second tab on Managed Services is Internet. Click the tab to access Internet Package Options. The package you are currently subscribed to will be faded out and will be clearly marked as currently subscribed with a check mark. Any package that is faster in speed will be darker and have the Add to Cart option on the right-hand side. To change your subscription, click the blue Add to Cart button. Again, a convenient window will show in the bottom right corner with your account changes and the new monthly total. Once you're happy with all the changes to be made and it looks correct in the window, click the button Review Total and Order. A new page will load where a confirmation will be requested for the changes to be made. After the conditions have been read and you agree to the terms and conditions by clicking a check in the box, you may now accept or decline the requested changes. If the Decline and Go Back button is clicked, you'll return to the previous Managed Services page. This sums up the Managed Services section of My Westman.